Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command prompt with elevated rights. This avoids permission errors when you run system commands. Once done, immediately navigate to your project folder with cd and confirm your location using pwd or echo %cd%. Next, list files with ls or dir to see what's present. Add a to reveal hidden items. These first steps orient you and prevent mistakes later, so make sure to verify the prompt shows the right directory before proceeding. You now perform core operations efficiently. Rely on tab completion to save time and avoid typos because accurate paths matter. When running multiple steps, chain them with and so the next runs only if the prior succeeded, or use when order matters but success doesn't. Use redirection to overwrite files, to append, and pipes to feed one command's output into another. This lets you filter, sort, and log results without opening additional tools. These techniques make workflows repeatable and scriptable. You wrap up by verifying outcomes and capturing logs for review. Check the exit code to confirm success, because a 0 indicates no error. Save important output to a log file so you can inspect it later, and watch progress live with tail F when available. If something fails, revert quickly by restoring backups or using git stash. This reduces downtime. One key tip: if a command stalls, press Ctrl+C. Then inspect the last logs and the exit code to diagnose what went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.